How can I retrieve my lost or forgotten student ID number?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing how you can retrieve your lost or forgotten student ID number. Whether you misplaced it or simply can't remember it, we've got you covered. Stick around and let's get started.
Contact your educational institution.
The first step to retrieving your lost or forgotten student ID number is to contact your educational institution. Reach out to the administration office, registrar's office, or any department responsible for student records. They will be able to assist you in recovering your ID number. Make sure to provide them with any relevant information such as your full name, date of birth, and any other identifying details they may require.
Check online student portals or systems.
Many educational institutions provide online student portals or systems where you can access important information related to your studies, including your student ID number. Log in to your institution's online platform using your username and password. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile or account settings section. Look for any information related to your student ID number. It might be displayed on your dashboard or in a section dedicated to personal details.
Review old documentation or records.
If you can't find your student ID number through the above methods, it's time to dig into your old documentation or records. Check any previous enrollment forms, acceptance letters, student identification cards, or other official documents provided by your educational institution. Look for your ID number on these documents, as it is often included for identification purposes.
Reach out to classmates or friends.
Sometimes our peers can be a great source of help. If you have friends or classmates who are also enrolled in the same institution, reach out to them and ask if they know where to find your student ID number. They might have had a similar experience or be aware of specific resources that can assist you. Collaborating with others can often lead to finding a solution more quickly.
Contact the IT or Helpdesk department.
If you've exhausted all the above options without success, it's time to seek help from the IT or Helpdesk department at your educational institution. Send an email or make a phone call to the appropriate department explaining your situation and requesting assistance in retrieving your student ID number. They should have access to the necessary databases or systems to help you recover your ID number. That wraps up our video on how to retrieve your lost or forgotten student ID number. Remember to always start by contacting your educational institution's administration office, checking online student portals, reviewing old documentation, reaching out to classmates or friends, and finally, contacting the IT or Helpdesk department. We hope you found this information helpful, and wish you the best of luck in recovering your student ID number. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.